I was very happy to interact with the CM and was very impressed with his understanding of the opportunities and the challenges that are there in the state, and his philosophy of looking at overall development, environmentally friendly policies, and using technology to improve the capacity and the income of people in the state. His support to expansion and creation of new jobs using industry was very impressive, and we are seriously looking at in our pharmaceutical business to set up a manufacturing facility here with a view to enhance our manufacturing capacity. So we look forward to continuing to interact with the uh, officers in the state so that our project can take off successfully. So I think the purpose of my meeting was to first, of course, to get to know him and meet him for first time, and I was very impressed with his supportive attitude towards encouraging industry. So we are, and also I think he shared with us his vision about pharmaceutical manufacturing, where it is end to end, where you produce you develop the processes, you produce the API, and then you also formulate and formulation and export the medicines from the factory. So that is what a integrated manufacturing facility we are looking at setting up.